Good morning, folks. Here we are at Blue Ray Ranch with Rancher Banyon. He'd like to share a little bit about his his new breed of cattle that we call the Murrangus, because he is breeding the Black Angus and the Murray Grey, which the Murray Grey is an incredible cattle from Australia. Banyon, would you like to talk a little bit about your breed here?
Hi everyone. Today we're standing in front of what we call Murrangus. They are a small frame, or we're kind of getting their frame size down. They are half Murray Grey, half Angus. We take a Angus cow. Actually, that's one of the cows we use to take and breed to our Murray Grey bull. And this is one of her daughters, that blank Angus cow here. And what I love about her is she's kind of what Greg Judy and his South Pole are like. They're shorter to the ground. They have a good gut capacity. They slick off. She's already starting to lose her hair. And they're very, as you can see, very docile versus purebred Angus. She's more a little antsy, if you were to say. She's had a calf earlier than expected, and she did really well with it. She's actually got a calf on her right now, and she looks absolutely amazing. Little guy's somewhere down there. He's a Murray Grey. Actually, well, he's 3/4, because she was bred to Murray Grey, and then what pops out is a 3/4 cross. So no Black Angus comes out, but it's pretty much purebred Murray Grey. But there's actually another one. She's a little bit taller in leg. Snowy, quit.
Brave Snowy. Okay.
So anyway, and then we have there's a yearling over there, and they are really good in they grow in size too pretty quickly. For instance, like she had a calf earlier than expected, like I said a little while back. So they are really, I think, going to be a good future in our operation for what we're doing here with the lower frame cattle to eat less grass. So thank you, everyone.